Welcome back to our channel, and thank you all for tuning in and thank you for supporting us. But if you're new to this channel and you haven't subscribed yet, please encourage us by doing so, and we shall continue to bring you the latest news as they come. And together we can work with our great leader Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, IPOB and Eastern Security Network to make our Biafran dream a reality. A Governors Forum and the Fulani Federal Government of Nigeria are on a collision course. They are on a path of war because the Southern Governors Forum have warned and said that they will never tolerate the invasion of their state by the Nigerian security agencies or forces at every little instance without their knowledge. They said that in the northern states, nothing of such happens. How come they just send the military, they send the DSS, they send the police into their states without informing them as the chief security officer of their states? You know, all thanks to the Southwest governors for being bold, unlike our Efulefu Biafran governors. It is the Southwest governors that are pushing this, and they are doing this because of the invasion of Sunday Igboho's home. According to the Southern Governors Forum, they insisted that any law enforcement agency carrying out an operation in any state in the South must take permission from the state governor, who is the chief security officer of the state, just as it is insisted that the next president of the country called Nigeria should emerge from the South. Even though we Biafrans, we want referendum, we want freedom, and we do not support continuation of Nigeria. We do not. But I like the way the Southern governors, especially the Yoruba governors, are very bold. And they are telling the Fulani Janjaweed to their face. Not like our Biafran governors who are afraid of yor. You know, according to the governor of Ondo State, who happens to be the spokesperson for the Southern Governors Forum, he said, however, they have kept mum on the arrest of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu and the attack on Chief Sunday Igboho at his home. But they will never tolerate the invasion of their state by the Nigerian security agencies without getting permission from them. Imagine that happening in Kaduna or Katsina or even Zamfara. It will never happen. The bandits are kidnapping school children in Kaduna. Not even a security agency personnel was sent to stop what is happening or to fish out the bandits because they are Fulanis. Yet, they will go after peaceful freedom fighters. They will send all the military apparatus. They will even bribe other rogue countries to kidnap freedom fighters, just as they received over $1 billion, or they gave over $1 billion to Kenya to kidnap our leader, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. That's what the Fulanis are doing. And in my other video, I said about how the Fulani Nigerian government have earmarked 750,000 naira to settle each of the foreign terrorist Fulani bandits. Whereas our Southeast governors, our South governors are not doing anything. They are not doing anything. They are not doing anything. They are afraid of Fulani Janjaweed. Thank God for the Southwest governors, the Yoruba governors. They are very bold and they are the ones making these statements. And they said that the open grazing ban will take effect from September 2021. They have said it. Now the Fulani Janjaweed are afraid. They are afraid. Because the Yorubas are no longer supporting them. My brothers and my sisters, that is what is going to happen. We must ensure that we support our leader, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, IPOB, and Eastern Security Network against the domination and oppression by the Fulani terrorist Janjaweed. You know, one of the Efulefu politicians in Imo State, his joystick was chopped off. It was chopped off. The video went viral, leading military to Olu. You know, every little thing the Fulani military will invade South, especially Biafra land. Imagine this same thing happening in Kaduna. Kaduna, where they kidnap so many students today. Not even the military invaded Kaduna. They didn't. You know, according to a report, they said hoodlums chopped off the manhood of a popular politician in Osu local government area of Imo State, popularly known as Matador Enyi-Oha Osu. The man was seen stark naked with his two hands tied in a viral video horizontally to a stick and subjected to inhuman treatment by the suspected hoodlums. You know, our leader, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, IPOB, has been vindicated. If it were before, they will say it's unknown gunmen, and they will now tie it to Eastern Security Network, and they will tie it to IPOB and our leader. But now, it has been exposed, and our leader, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, and IPOB and Eastern Security Network have now been vindicated. They said a voice was heard in the video accusing the SABO, the Biafran SABO tour, for being a saboteur responsible for the military bombardment of Olu during the encounter with Eastern Security Network. You know, that's what they said. And they said that the saboteur is a die-hard lover of the Fulani slave masters because of money. And he's working for the Fulani Nigerian government, providing information. He was instrumental in leading the Nigerian terrorist army to bomb Osu. Afterward, the Fulani Nigerian government released money for him to share in Olu, to say that nobody was killed in the bombings, knowing quite well that a lot of people lost their lives in the military air bombardment. My brothers and my sisters, that's a big lesson for all the saboteurs of Biafra. This is a warning to all those sabotaging Biafran freedom. You know, they will surely pay for it. Thank you, my brothers and my sisters, for watching this video. Please watch out for the next, and bye-bye for now.